Students of class 4th and 5, welcome all of you in the online classes of SRPS. Today we are going to learn some codings in the software that is Scratch. In this software we will learn how to move an object by giving commands. We will learn how to do coding to move an object. Students, you have played some games in your mobile, in computer. Fine. Whenever you play some games, you need to move the gaming object forward. You need to change its direction, left direction, right direction by pressing some keys. So how it does happen, how character is going to change while you press a particular key. So these all things we will learn in this video. So for example, as you can see a cartoon character over here, and when I am using the right arrow key, this character is moving forward, and when I am using left arrow key, this character is moving backward. Fine. So how it will happen, how you can do yourself, how you can move this character forward and backward direction, we will see in this video. So let's start. So if you want to this if you want to do coding in Scratch, first of all you need to download this Scratch software. How you can download this Scratch software? First of all, you need to you need to open any browser, open any Google browser. Fine. Now you need to search Scratch. Fine. And Scratch download. Fine. For Windows 7 it will be better. If you have Windows 7 at your home, you can download the Scratch software, Scratch 2.0. Just click over here. Now you will see a page that is scratch.mit.edu download/scratch2. So you can install and download this Scratch software. So you need to follow some steps. As you can see, first, second, third, you need to download this file, that is Adobe AIR. So just click on download option. You need to download this file. Then Scratch offline editor, and for Windows we all use Windows software. If you are using Mac OS, you can use Mac OS download option, but we are using Windows, so we will click on this. As you click on this download option, you need to download this Adobe Air and Scratch offline editor. Two software you need to download in your computer. I have already downloaded this software, so the files of this software are here: Adobe Air Installer exe and Scratch 461.exe. So after downloading this software, first you need to install Adobe Air Installer by double clicking on it. Run this software, install this software. After downloading this software, just install Scratch 461 exe file. So double click over here and install this software. When you have when your software is installed, you can open this Scratch software. Click on start button, type SCRA. You will see Scratch 2 software. Just click over here. You will see a window of Scratch software. See, this is a character which you want to move. Fine. And these are the coding steps. how you can use this coding steps. See, there are different option, but today we will learn only two option, that is motion and event. Motion means how you want to move your character, fine, in which direction, and events means what you will do so that your character will move in a particular direction. So see, I want to move this character in left direction and right direction, fine. So choose this second option. When, just click over here, drag this command and put over here. When spacebar key pressed, no, we want to move this character when right arrow is key pressed, fine. Now when right arrow key is pressed, we want our character will move in right direction. So just in motion option, use this first command, move 10 step, and attach this command over here. In this means when you press your right arrow key, your character will move 10 step right side. Once again, events, we will choose this option. When left arrow is key pressed, we want our turtle move left direction, but 10 step and 10 step, these are the forward, so we want left and right basically opposite direction. So what we'll do, click over here on 10, fine. Now with your keyboard just type minus, fine. Means when we are giving negative command, it means it is going to opposite direction, fine. Now we have done coding that when we press right arrow key, character will move 10 step forward. When we press left arrow key, character will move 10 step backward, fine. Now we have to move this character. How? Click on this option, square over here, just click. Now you need to press left key. See, your character is moving in forward direction. Now you need to press left arrow key. As you can see, your character is moving backward. If you are pressing right arrow key, your character is moving in right direction. If you are pressing left arrow key, your character is moving left direction. This is the simple coding through which you can start and understand. I hope you all have understood. So again, we want to go back to our coding space. Just click over here. We have come over here. Today we have learned two things, that is motion and events. Motion means how your character will be moved, how many steps it will move. See, here are 10 steps. You can increase the steps. See, I am putting 30 steps, fine, and just click over here. As you press 30, your character is moving more ahead, and in 10 steps it is moving very less, slightly, fine. So in this way you can move your character. So this is the starting, how you can use Scratch software, how you can move this character with using two options, motion and events, fine. Event means which key you will press through which your character will move. So in this command we have chosen two keys, right arrow keys and left arrow keys, and in motion option we have choose this first command, move 10 step. Plus 10 step means forward, minus 10 steps means backward. Fine. So students, I hope you have understood. If you have computer at your home, please download this software, that is Scratch. Install this software in your computer and start practicing of this software as I have told you. See this video 2-3 times and start doing practicing. Okay, thank you very much.